वहाँ पे आपकी पॉइजनस गैसेस जो थी वो रिलीज की जाती थी इन ऑल दोज एरियाज, and finally just because of the suffocation due to those poisonous gases, those people were getting die. Okay, here you can see beta, these were the different steps adopted by Nazis against Jews for their total elimination. Okay, this was the first stage: exclusion from the society, exclusion from their motherland. Okay, and finally they were sent. It was said it was the period 1933 to 1939 when they were pauperized, when they were segregated or terrorized. Okay, there was a total boycott of Jewish people. Then after this was the second stage, ghettoization. Ghettoization means they did not have right to live among us, means exclusion from the society. Okay, all they were marked, all they were forced to wear a yellow star of David on their chest. This identity was used in all legal documents and their in their houses. Okay, so this was the second step. Then after there was a third step for their elimination, that this was annihilation. Annihilation from 1941 onward, means 1941 के बाद annihilation in which it is said that they did not have right to live, and Jews from Jewish houses, concentration camps and ghettos from different parts of Europe were brought into the uh, goods train in. Okay, were brought to the death factories. These death factories were known as the gas chambers. Uh, in Poland and elsewhere in the east, most notably Belzec, uh, mm, they were sent to the gas chambers. They were sent in gas chambers. Mass killings took place within minutes with scientific precision. Okay, beta, here you can see this was a third step. Okay, uh, killed while trying to escape. जब वो अपने आप को बचाने की कोशिश कर रहा है, he was killed. Here in this figure you can see piles of clothes outside the gas chambers. The gas chambers, ये जो उनके जले हुए कपड़े था, remaining जो उनके clothing थे, this was heaped up. Here this you can see this was a concentration camp where these Jews or undesirable people were kept, and physically and mentally they were tortured. And then after you can see this is the last figure, shoes taken away from prisoners before the final solution. Final solution, it was a death. Okay, when the death was declared, when the murder was declared, when the punishment was declared for the Jews or any undesirable people in Germany, it was termed as final solution. Okay, so here you can see this is a concentration camp. So this was these were the steps taken by the Hitler against Jews to spread his Nazi ideology and to establish the Nazi society, or the society of Nordic Aryans. Okay, this is the fourth unit. This fourth unit starts with the youth in Nazi Germany. Actually, Hitler was interested in the youth of the country. He was looking the future of Germany in youth. So that is why he felt that a strong Nazi society could be established only by teaching children Nazi ideology. Means he was focusing for the Nazi spread of Nazi ideology, and how this Nazi ideology can be inculcated in children's personality by teaching them this ideology, and how it could be possible. For this purpose, it was possible through control over the child both from inside and outside school. Okay, so from inside school, what policy did he adopted? Means what changes he made in education policy under Nazis. So all schools were cleansed and purified. Means that teachers who were Jews or seen as politically unreliable were dismissed. First step, what he took, uh, cleansing and purification of schools. How did this was happen? This was made by removing removing all the teachers, those who were Jews, either those who were Jews or were seen as unreliable. Unreliable for whom? For Aryans. Okay. Children were first segregated. All the children were segregated. Germans and Jews could not sit together, play together. Okay, it was said that Germans and Jewish children could not sit together. They could not play together. They were segregated on the basis of their races. German race children and Jews race children. Then after subsequently undesirable children, Jews, the physically handicapped, gypsies were thrown out of the school. Those